Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator. And in this video, I'll show you on how to duplicate your Illustrator artboard as many as possible in Illustrator. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, you want to have this particular artboard right here in many places, the same size and everything. You just want to make a duplicate of it. So how do you do that? Go ahead and make sure you come to your toolbar right here. And then what you want to do is to select artboard. And having select artboard, this is going to pop up right here. Now, for you to make a duplicate of the artboard, what you want to do right here is to press Hotkey on your keyboard, and then you have to drag, and boom, you have another artboard. Okay. Then you want to duplicate more. Press Hotkey on your keyboard and drag. You can drag and draw as many as possible artboard in Illustrator. Then release. Boom, you have another one right here. So you want to come here again. So you want to duplicate another artboard. Go ahead and press Alt key on your keyboard. Then you have another one artboard right here. So you can do this for as many as possible artboard. Then each of the artboard right here, you can go ahead and create whatever you want to design with each of the artboard right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.